Gotta go see the stage. Let's see when we're gonna rip it up tonight.
Where you guys from? What are you doing? Good to have you in town.
This camera is hard. Is this a Super 8?
Thank you. Appreciate it.
That's my gig.
Or am I dumb?
DJ, make sure you get all of our good sides.
You don't have a bad side, bro. Come on. Love you kids. All right.
I had the 4x4. Yeah, do 4x4. It's the 2 feet, so they can be on the same. This got to come back. This can't block. That was the problem. Like they single, they can match, but she can go single though. She don't need all this.
And I could also go through this too. I can go through and cord.
This just has a filter on it or color grading or.
So making adjustments, adding and subtracting, you know how it go. Just setting up.
We're able to get like build like a set, or we could build something.
Anything else can come off. We'll push it, but the drums will be facing like catty corner to this way. So everybody will be facing inward, like we had on the original. Yeah.
Last show, right? My effects from my ears were not coming through. I watched the live stream, and all my effects that were in my ear weren't on that.
Yes.
How can we make sure
that was my first time getting in too. We can get together.
Let's make sure we all talk about it. So we
absolutely.
Know. Not a problem.
Yep. Got you.
Try to get closer to that.
Can you make sure we get the footage to the show?
Yeah.
I need to review it. We need to go over our show.
Nah, that's him. That's Chris. They not controlling.
Yeah, we're talking to him.
Also, the guitar is so low, I can't even hear it. And like towards the end, I couldn't hear the guitar at all. And the synth is way loud. Like the guitar, the synth is overpowering the guitar. What do you mean?
I've never seen say I hope
Scary. Practice makes prepared.
Why you just
not
say
perfect.
I hope this body fall off?
The more you practice, prepared
do?
you can be. So we got to keep going.
How you feeling?
Good. Just the calm before the storm. Well, literally, it's gonna rain a bit. I hope it doesn't rain during the show. I don't think it will.
What's up, everybody?
Oh my God. Good.
I just feel like I don't know whose idea it was to not check the weather.
Yo, can somebody type up the happy birthday, I love you in Portuguese real quick for me?
It's raining, and it's gonna rain all day.
Festival, bro. They're gonna be out here any day.
I don't think so. I wouldn't. Oh, that's right. It's just that we gotta get that. Like when it first comes in, we gotta get that part right. I don't know what it is, but it just doesn't sound.
It's the backing tracks mixing with the live tracks. Back of the neck.
We gotta get that mixture. Just like it's not coming out clean. Like it don't sound clean.
Now Kennedy playing with it. Now Kennedy, that's Kennedy in the box. Yep. Same spot.
Now it sound like space now.
Yeah, the high end gotta come on.
What's going on is that keyboard has a high sizzle sound to it, so the record doesn't.
Let's hear it without her. I want to hear everyone except her.
Okay. Everybody except Keys.
Try from the top with everybody except the Keys. But Kennedy, you still come in on that part at the end. everything was great, but when it comes back in,
You
that
know, when
guitar, I want that guitar louder.
eat it, yeah, got you.
Let's go to the back room. Let's come on. Let's take our team to the room. To the room.
Y'all going?
Everybody, let's go to the room.
But they're constantly going to wipe the stage. We're looking for the carpet. But
They need a blow dryer. They need to get a dryer.
Yeah, well, we working on it, but I just don't want you to come here thinking you're definitely going to see carpet. We're just trying to figure it out.
I get it. I'm just saying that's a hazard. Unless I'm gonna have to just stand in the chair. I can't on that stage. I stood up. That's my stage. I can't stand. I can't move up there.
We're working on it. We're working on it.
We need to bring that guitar in the room. We need to go through that guitar. It doesn't sound bad, but a couple things, right? Like to me, it doesn't sound like the record, you know? Like, but it doesn't sound bad. It just doesn't sound how I want it to sound. Like I think in every department, it's things we all gotta work on together. Like I think we gotta work on figuring out what we do from the record and that we're gonna use in real life, because it's like, for me at least, in the beginning it's way better now, but in the beginning it was sounding like almost like if you plugged the aux and played it from an aux, like when you just lose all the quality. Because I think from the record was mashing that we was doing, right? Also, we have to get the right keyboards. We have to. The year of the genre that we were like psychedelic rock in the 60s, right? In the early 70s, and you're playing stuff that sounds like almost like Nintendo Super 8-bit, like so it's making the song sound less rock and it's sounding more like a video game. But right now it's sounding like nothing like the record, right? Like Zone doesn't sound like the record at all. And I cannot for the life of me figure out why it didn't sound like the record. Also, it's certain parts that we have to figure, like we need to sing a part that we need not to do. Because when we come from the into the big part, it's not big. Like it sounds good, but it's not big. I don't feel it in my chest. Like when you hear the record, when it comes back around, feel it. Like especially if someone's heard it for the first time, when they come back after that piano, it's like, whoa, like, you know what I'm saying? But when we do it, and it's like something's, I don't know if it's the sub under or the bass or like, and it may not even be that. Maybe the guitar wasn't loud enough. It was
the drum. Like you changed your intensity. Like one thing in sound check, y'all got to think. Play the sound check like the show, because we're adjusting levels like you're gonna play. If you holding back, then showtime you on 100. Now you're gonna the whole mix. Intentional. Like when y'all hit the stage, think show every time. Intentional. I know we did 2 shows. Everybody happy. No offense. All that. That's 2 shows. We ain't did nothing. We ain't scratched the surface yet.
If you ask me, and it ain't y'all, but I just feel like the show really is still like
it's
that.
mid.
It's still whatever. People love it, but I still think I still think it could be like 100 times greater. So that, I think that's all. You know, we're doing great though. Well, by we, I mean y'all.
Which has no grip, Jay.
Hey y'all, this is the Little War team. Welcome. That's Julie, your photographer. Yeah, that's fine.
Back out there. All right. It's good. I mean, people are like flooding in.
By 9 o'clock.
By 9 o'clock, it's gonna be full.
Please evacuate the venue. We will
tornado watch.
Lightning?
Yeah, right?
Like consistent like this?
If there's lightning within 8 miles, or I think it's 5 miles, or whatever this was, you have to wait 30 minutes. Well, if you wait 30 minutes, if you wait 29 minutes, and there's another lightning strike, the clock resets for 30 minutes.
Damn.
Like completely out, because they can kill people.
Yeah. You ready to do the show? Like, ready.
He was ready. Like, he had his ears on, everything.
Like, it was like 5 minutes.
Oh, wait, it's over with?
That's what it's like me just taking all my clothes off and just performing.
Yeah, the audio.
Like, I'm gonna stay in my drawers.
Out front got like really
I'm sad. No show today. We were ready. We had on our clothes and our guitars. It was good vibes nonetheless. Love you, Austin.
And at the end of the day, we were ready for you. Y'all were ready for us.
They got a whole weekend to go.
See y'all in SNL. Saturday Night Live, April 1st.
SNL.
We're coming back.
Yeah.
Yeah, my first show, I'm gonna perform bank tellers 8 times, but then this is the catch. On the 6th time, one of my is gonna shoot a switch in the air just so I could get away and we could just get the money, and I'm gonna just donate it all back to the chat. Yo, chat, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I gotta bro, like.